Hey, I'm Jack Hamilton with the Hamilton Realty Group, and I want to speak to you today about the premier planned development called St. James Plantation. St. James Plantation is actually celebrating its 20-year history. The community offers 81 holes of golf, 4 spectacular clubhouses, a full-service marina with both dry dock and wet slip, either rental or sales. Currently there are 3,400 doors developed. When it's completely built out, there'll be 7,700 doors. So we're about 70% sold out. The real cool thing about St. James is no one's from there. Everybody has transplanted from another part of the country, and it has so many activities. You've got, kayaking, you've got yoga, you've got fitness facilities. And I could just go on and on and on and talk about the amenities are there. But really the beauty of the community are the people that live there and make it up. If you'd like to join Dan and I as neighbors in this community, I'd love the opportunity to serve you. Please give us a call, text, or email. I hope to hear from you soon.